Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the country you are watching this video from. In today's video, we are going to continue from our rationalization of surds. We are taking example 2. We are asked to rationalize 1 over 3 plus root 2. To rationalize this, like I've explained my first example, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. The conjugate of this surd is this 3 plus root 2. Like I said, the conjugate of any surd is always the denominator. Now, to rationalize this question is very easy. So let's take a solution. Let's take a solution. So this is our question. 1 divided by 3 plus root 2. Now, we want to rationalize. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the surd. Since here is positive, if we are multiply it, we change to what? Negative. 3 minus root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2. 1 times 3 minus root 2 will give us what? 3 minus root 2 over. Now, to multiply this, we use the first number to multiply this. Now, to multiply this, we are going to what? Carry everything here to multiply what? Everything here. So here we have 3 plus 2. Since the terms are not the same, we are going to what? Bracket them. In mathematics, bracket means what? Multiplication. So 3 minus root 2. Bracket close. We have 3 minus root 2 divided by. Now we are going to what? Open up this bracket. We are going to open up the brackets. We use this 3 to open up this second bracket. We have 3 times what? 3, which will give me 3 square minus 3 root 2. We carry this one to what? Open up also, plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 times minus root 2. Plus times minus is what? Minus root 2. Since the roots are the same, we can what? Square it. We can square it like this, such that we have 3 minus root 2 divided by 3 square is what? 9. Minus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2, it will cancel out. We have what? Minus. In mathematics, square root sign means what? Square. This raised to power of 2 cancel what? This square root symbol. We have what? 2 remaining, such that we have 3 minus root 2 over 9 minus 2 is what? 7. This is the answer to this kind of question. If you have any question, please drop it at the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me if you are my Facebook follow. If you are my YouTube channel, please ensure to watch, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.